Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and I've just been contacted by one of our customers who wants to know how to remove previous satellite navigation destinations from their car. Now, this customer's just bought a new vehicle and the selling dealership didn't delete the previous destination. So with the ignition on, if you go into the navigation screen, that one up there, then you're presented with this one here. So if you then go down to the right hand side and touch the magnifying glass, what you then have is this screen. Now, running down the side here, the top one is the magnifying glass where you'd search and put the new address in for somewhere that you want to go. And then if you actually touch on this one, that shows previous destinations. So I've just put in a couple of destinations local to where we are here. That one there would show the route of where you're actually planning to go. So I haven't asked the car to take me anywhere yet. And then this bottom one shows a little wagon wheel that shows the previously stored destination. So if you've just bought a car, there could be an awful lot of different ones all just pinned around all around here. So I want to get rid of these two destinations. So all you need to do is touch the screen and then swipe.
Now turn right onto King's Tainter.
Beg your pardon. Sorry, I tried to do it too slow. Is you touch the screen, get back to where I was, touch the screen and swipe it to the left. There you go. If I push and hold it, as I did previously, it thinks I want to go back there and it will then automatically take me. So if it's a destination that you go to regularly, then you can store that and it saves you then having to input the details in every time. So just before it deletes it, it says, are you sure? Do you want to do it? Yes, please. Hit that and then it's gone. I'm going to delete the other one. So tap, swipe to the left, and then it brings up the X. If you hold it too quick, it happens to take you on that destination. But again, I want to get rid of that. So let's delete that off. So now it says no suggested destinations, so we're all okay. Now, the other one that I had was, let me just go back into the media screen, is how do I change the view in the media system? So as it is now, we're heading where the arrow stays in the center of the screen. Now that looks, that's a 3D view, but if I want to change that view, I just put my hand near the screen and I just touch. There you go, just this little one here. And what it'll actually do, if I can, there you go, let's lean back. If I touch that arrow, there we go. So it's now spun round. So we're on a north heading. So it's always showing you north, but the arrow of where we're going kind of looks like we're going to go backwards when we start driving. So personally, I don't like that. But if you want to change the view, then you can. Just tap the compass one again, and it goes round to a 2D view where the car stays, the arrow stays at the bottom, and the map will actually turn rather than you. And if you prefer a 3D view, just tap on it again, and there you go. More as the crow flies. That's how I have it in my car. That's how I like it. But like you say, it's your car, so you can decide. Hopefully you found this useful. If you did, give us a like. And if you haven't already subscribed, well, what are you waiting for? Thanks ever so much. Bye for now.